Nice piece of old glass. Great. Always good to find a glass trail and follow that. Ooh. That's one big target. 21. Okay, so it's just underneath here. Get a little bit closer. Oh, not very deep. Fantastic. Anything into the 20s is really good. You saw that old piece of glass there. Okay, let's see what this is. Getting a bit excited. 20s up into the buckle range, but I think it's smaller. I think it might be a coin. I think it might be. There it is, I just felt it. Let's get a bit of this sand out of the way. There it is. Ooh. Is it another buckle? Ha ha! I think it might be. And it is another buckle. Wow. There's the clasp on there. Ha! Nice, sweet target too. It's got a design. You can see a bit of the design there. Oh, so good. Finally get another buckle before the year's out. Look at that. I like to do this slowly because you don't find too many of them in a year. Probably 4, 5, 6 at the most. So there's no sense in just ripping it out straight away. I like to savour it and then just sort of see what it is. Savouring it is the go. Ooh. Just do it nice and slowly. There we go. It's an embossed one. That looks, I can't tell what it is actually. Looks like the other side. Oh, there it is. Oh, it's got writing on it too. Oh, it's intact. That is intact. Fantastic. Let's take a photo and then we'll see what it is. Okay, there we go. Now that looks to be a lion. It's upside down. It's got writing on there, but it's not broken. And let's have a little look at this. Wow. Haha. Look at that lion. Looks like the lion's got a deer. And it says, "Stop, thief." Don't know, I wouldn't be chasing after a lion to get something back. What an incredible embossed buckle. Wow, look at that. That's a really intricate design. Pressed brass. It's got the clasp that side, it's got the belt attachment through there, so slightly bent, but not too much. But that's been in this red dirt here for over 100 years, and look at how harsh this landscape is for them to be camping around here. No big trees, small scrub, be exposed to the heat, the wind. Fantastic. One thing that constantly amazes me is the condition of these buckles and relics that come out of the sand here. It's a very arid part of Western Australia. It drains off pretty quickly when there's any rainfall, so any relic that's say 10 centimeters under the surface gets wet for a little bit, then dries off, and look, there's no corrosion on that whatsoever. That is just incredible condition. Probably dating, I would say this buckle would probably be 1880s, 1890s. So if it's 1880, say, still makes it a 141-year-old buckle. Look at the condition of that, front and back. fairly thick pressed brass. An African scene on an English made buckle. Awesome.